The 2012 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bose sound system, XM satellite radio, four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, front air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.